How to send money from PayPal to a Skrill account. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to send money from PayPal to a Skrill account. It isn't possible to send money directly from PayPal to Skrill with just a tap or click. You will need to follow a few additional steps. First, log in to your PayPal account. If you don't have one yet, read this to get started. Now, go to Wallet and select your PayPal balance. Then, withdraw your PayPal balance to your linked bank account. If you haven't yet linked a bank account, this is something you will need to do first. Once the money has arrived in your bank account, make a bank transfer to Skrill. This will top up your Skrill digital wallet balance, which you can then use for spending or money transfers. To start a bank transfer, open the Skrill app and select Deposit Now under Bank Transfer. Skrill's bank details and your unique reference number will be displayed. Make a note of these. After that, go to your online banking and sign in. Now set up a bank transfer using the Skrill details. Make sure to include the unique reference number so the money will be assigned to your account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.